So what exactly is YouTube automation? The name itself gives you a hint. It's about automating YouTube channels. Imagine channels that create attractive views and generate income on autopilot. Intriguing, right? But how does it work? So let me just explain in this video how this whole YouTube automation process works. But first, I'm going to start with the vital pillars of YouTube automation. It's important to know at the heart of successful YouTube automation, there are 5 critical pillars that make the magic happen. Think of them as your digital dream team. So I'm going to kind of go through this whole process of what this digital dream team looks like, and these crucial 5 pillars are going to have you have a successful YouTube automation channel. Here's the rundown. The first thing you need is a script writer, a person that can craft captivating video scripts. Second thing you need is a voice actor, a person that can unveil videos with intriguing narration, have a good voice, and can really bring out the importance of key words and key components in your script. The next thing you need, the third thing, is a video editor, someone that can blend visuals with your voiceover. So you got your script, you got your voice actor that's going to read the script, and then you get your video editor that can actually put all the visuals together based upon the voiceover and the script. And the next thing you need, now this is an important one, is a thumbnail artist that can create attention-grabbing thumbnail videos. This last one, number 5, you don't need, but I do recommend if you're starting out as a channel manager, someone who can optimize your channel's performance. Now, here's how all of this comes to life. And if you're on this YouTube automation journey, you're not alone. What you should do is through platforms like Fiverr and Upwork, you can collaborate with skilled professionals and experts in these fields that can produce videos, oversee your channel, and ensure everything runs smoothly. And your part in this whole process is to watch your channel thrive and enjoy the rewards of your automated endeavor. So essentially what you want to do is you want to delegate, you want to automate, and you want to eliminate. So in delegating, what you're doing is you're delegating and you're building a team of the videos, the script writer, the voiceover, the thumbnail artist, and the video editor, right? And in that process, you're managing and delegating these responsibilities and managing these people through this process. So what I want to talk about now is the exciting part about making money with YouTube automation. So there are a variety of different paths you can earn from automating your channel, right? So you have Google AdSense. Those mid-roll ads generate revenue based on your views. You have brand deals. Brands pretty much pay for shout outs to access your audience. So as you build your audience, brands will reach out to you to say, hey, can you shout, out my product to your audience, and in return, they'll compensate you. Affiliate marketing, which is a big one, which promotes products and earn commissions, and CPA marketing, which gets paid for a specific viewer attention. One of my favorite out of all of them is Google AdSense as a continuous income stream, as long as your videos attract views. The key is to attract views with these videos. So delegating and building a team and then automating the process, you actually eliminate yourself from doing all the grunt work while you kind of manage at a higher level, right? So a common question that always comes around is it too late to venture into YouTube automation? I say fuck no. You're entering at a prime time. The business model remains largely untapped and offering an ample room for you to size its potential, right? So I just explained to you the process in which you need to do. And while others, what I'm noticing on YouTube is while others are chasing different online ventures, YouTube automation remains one of the hidden treasures, and it's something that is not being, I think, tapped into in terms of how do you effectively make money. I mean, that's pretty much the breakdown of YouTube automation. I'm going to give you another trick, and I'm going to give you another key component in this process. I already explained to you, how to build your team, but the most important thing, looking at your niche, right? So the niche is going to be important. So you want to pick a niche that's really, really popular, fitness and finance, lifestyle, gaming, sports channels. You want to pick a niche that is going to guarantee people are going to watch it, right? Now, what I highly recommend is a trick that you can utilize. It's not a trick, it's more of a tactic, right? Look at 5 top channels in your niche that you want to select, right? And look at their most viewed videos. The work is already done. What you want to do is you want to take the transcript of that niche that you're selecting, that video from that YouTube channel. You want to take that script, and what you're going to do is you're going to go to Quillbot and you're going to paraphrase and rewrite that script. Now this is a dirty little secret that other content creators are doing, is you want to paraphrase that script. And then what you want to do is, once you paraphrase that script, then you give that to the voice actor to read the script. So you're kind of eliminating the script writing part of it. And the question is, why reinvent the wheel? If this video that's in that niche, let's say you doing a channel for finance, right? Let's say you notice that this video, this topic has gotten, 1 million views. why reinvent the wheel, right? Just take that transcript, go to Quillbot, paraphrase and rephrase the transcript, and you got your script right there. Now the second most important key to that factor is that thumbnail. That thumbnail is going to attract the viewership. That thumbnail is going to attract people to want to click on your video. And there you have it. So a lot of YouTube automation channels, what they're doing is they're looking at the top channels in their particular niche, looking at what other content creators are talking about and doing videos about, and then they just recreating a video and with the same topic, and that's going to guarantee you the views. So I just gave you a trick of the trade that you can utilize in building your automation channel. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe button. Let me know what you guys think. Leave a comment down below. Let me know, and what are some of the ways in which and how YouTube automation is going for your channel and which niche that you're doing.